Hello everyone. Finally got to spend a little bit more time on this old turd. Got the rear end mounted in there. Got the springs bolted up. New Monroe Max Air shocks. Sway bars in, but I've still got to tighten it up yet. Getting ready to do the brakes. Ordered a complete pre-formed kit back from inline tube. They're pretty quick. I ordered them, had them 2 days later after I ordered it. They're usually pretty good about getting orders out, and their stuff's usually bent like it's supposed to be. Make it nice and easy to put up on there. Also bought a trunk seal for it. Try to get that installed. What are you doing there, little tomcat? Slowly but surely, getting a little progress. Wind up picking me up a replacement hood. I bought this old car, it was gone. Just had an old Tempest hood I had sitting on the front of it to keep water out of the engine. Although I'm not going to use it. Got 389 I'm going to drop in it. It's a tri-power, 4-speed. Anyway, I'm going to get at it while I still got some daylight. Y'all have a good day. Subscribe and like. I'd appreciate it. Thanks, y'all.